Hi friends, welcome to the Unit 3 Day 2 notes. In this example, we're going to be dividing polynomials that have a higher degree, the greater degree than a linear. So we're going to have to use long division. In this one, there's a few other things that are thrown in that make it just a slightly more complicated version of just establishing long division. If you see that I'm missing a linear term here in my divisor. So x squared minus 0x or plus 0x, doesn't matter which we put there, and then minus 2. And we're dividing that into this 2x to the fourth plus x cubed minus 7x squared plus 0x. We absolutely positively must include that so that we can line up everything and keep everything valid. As I go through and divide x squared into 2x to the fourth, so 2x to the fourth divided by x squared, I'm left with 2x squared. So 2x squared is going to go again, line it up vertically with the like terms. Line it up here, 2x squared. When I multiply through, 2x squared times negative 2 is minus 4x squared. 2x squared times 0x. So this is going to be a 0x cubed. I'm just going to put that as a placeholder to help me remember that there is, I am doing something with this. And then 2x squared times x squared is 2x to the fourth. So again, when I go through and change the signs, I don't need to account for changing the sign with a 0 here, plus 0 or minus 0, I still have the same thing, but make sure that you do go through and change the signs for everything else. X cubed plus or minus 0x cubed is simply x cubed, and then here I have a negative 3x squared. I'm going to go ahead and bring down the plus 0x. Now if I look, I've got x squared goes into x cubed how many times? Into x cubed, it goes into it x times, so that means I'm going to have plus x here, again lining up vertically. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. X times 0x is 0x squared. X times x squared is x cubed. And then subtracting these, again subtracting each of my terms. Minus, doesn't matter if I put anything there because it's 0. And then plus. So I have a negative 3x squared. And then plus 2x. Then bring down the plus 3. X squared goes into negative 3x squared. Negative 3 times. So that means I have a negative 3 here. Negative 3 times negative 2 is a positive 6. Negative 3 times 0x, again 0x. Negative 3 times x squared is negative 3x squared. Now when I change my signs, this becomes a plus, and that becomes a minus. So I end up with a remainder of 2x, don't forget the 2x, minus 3. Now, this remainder is different than our previous remainders. This one has a linear term in it, and that is okay because it's still less degree than the x squared that we have in our divisor. So my answer or my result is 2x squared plus x minus 3 is equal to, so this is our quotient, or sorry, not equal to, plus our remainder. So our remainder is 2x minus 3 over what we divided by, the x squared minus 2. So that is our final result for example 3. Next, we're going to get into the remainder theorem and kind of like the goal with this and a few shortcuts with establishing points for graphs. I'll see you in the next video.